Kids tend to get attracted by strange things that most adults no longer see any value within. They could spend hours sitting on the ground staring at something. I remember I liked the metal handle of the drawer in my grandparents' house and fingering it for hours at age 3. As a kid, among the old parts of a motorcycle, the most interesting parts for me were fork boots. I don't know why these barrels caught my eyes the most. Perhaps it's because they look like caterpillars, which I assume that doesn't make sense to many adults anyway. I no longer think they are the coolest parts of the motorcycle, but I still have preference for them. I would choose a bike with fork boots over same kind of bike without it. But the original Yamaha Bolt doesn't have fork boots. On the end of March, I noticed the front tire of my bike started cracking. It wasn't so bad then, but I ride it daily basis, and I know it needs to be replaced in a few months. That was when I got the idea to have modification and passant. I could have a twin caterpillar on my front fork. I searched one fits my bike on the web, but I couldn't find a single store had stock. It may be because of the delay of delivery by the COVID-19, or maybe the item is too popular and sells like crazy. I had it on a back order at the beginning of June. It finally arrived at the end of July.
なんかね、あ、本当ですよ。あ、じゃあ今度なんか友達とか連れて行きましょうか。
あ、マジですか。本来であればね、そう全然。僕は英語ずっと勉強してたんで。
あ、本当ですか。
はい。
こういうの走りました。
バイクですか。
はい。
いやー、走ってないですね。
なんかもったいない感じですね。ニュージーランドとかロングビーチとか楽しそうな気がします。
いやー、いいっすよね。
マスクは全然いいです。
もう汗がね、
見てる方がやっぱ熱くなってくる。
汗が止まる。
全然気にしないけど。私も暑そう。
ピチャピチャ。
メダリストとなった選手だけではなくて、本当に岡本選手のことも皆さんのことを選手なので、ずっと
今度あれですか。
I like having thoughts about the modification on bike, and I'm always looking for new ideas. These Forkboots are not a dream come true event, but it made one step forward to form my ideal machine. I am happy and excited to have next modification plan running in my head. Thanks for watching.